What is up, Crypto Costa here, back with another Launchpad tutorial, and today we're gonna take a look and I'm gonna show you how to actually take part in IDOs on BSCPad, which is one of my favorite launchpads. So without further talking, let's just start this video. And before we start, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Remember to always do your own research, Dior. So as I said before, BSCPad is one of my favorite launchpads out there in the crypto space, and as you can see, they have so many closed projects. And right now let's check some of the just examples on how many X's you can make thanks to those projects. So for example, lately ETHPad had their IDO on BSCPad, and as you can see, swap rate was for 1 USD you could have 714 ETHPad tokens. Currently 1 USD gives you 10 ETHPad tokens, so it could give you around 70x. Another example, swaps, for 1 USD you could have 200 swaps, and right now 1 USD is worth 40 swaps, so it could give you around 4x. So for example, Polker 1 USD could give you 44 Polker tokens, and right now 1 USD gives you 30 tokens, so you could make around 180% if I'm not mistaken. As you can see, there are right now 3 projects coming soon. As you can see, Polar Network, Preview Tracks, and Y Dragon. So as you can see in here, it opens in 20 days and 9 hours, and on that day when this time is over, you're gonna be able to actually click here and sign up for an IDO. And to take part in those IDOs, there is actually staking requirement, and it depends on what allocation you want to have. Bronze level gives you 10 pool wave allocation, guaranteed allocation, and as you can see, all of these levels gives you actually guaranteed allocation, which is actually very good for Launchpad in my opinion. So the bronze level, which is 1000 tokens, is equivalent of $700 US, and as you can see, price of BSCPad is actually down right now. The peak was around $7. So actually to get silver level on staking and to get pool wave 30, it costs around $1,700, and to get platinum allocation it is around $7,000, and the pool wave is 145. What's cool about this launchpad is that you can get guaranteed allocation in every single level. First round is allocation round, right? But the second round is first come first serve. So actually the IDO opens then, and if you have signed up for this IDO in some of those levels, you're actually going to be able to come in the round second, which is first come first serve. So later you need to do KYC on your profile on BSCPad, and there's gonna be a green sign in here that your KYC is done. So as I said, you're gonna have something like this, a green sign in here and saying that your KYC is done. And as I said, if you have some tire, you're gonna see it here after you do your KYC, and after you stake some of their tokens, you're gonna see your tire in here and allocation that you can actually buy of token that you're willing to take part in the IDO. And then you're gonna have to put BUSD amount that you want to spend for this IDO. It also depends on how many people is involved in this IDO. So when there's altcoin season and when it's so many people out there trying to get in those IDOs, there's gonna be maybe lower allocations. If you do all these things, you're gonna see something like this schedule, and then you're gonna have exact dates on what time you're actually gonna be able to spend your BUSD into this IDO. Then you'll have to approve it and join the pool. So to sum it up, this BSCPad is one of my favorite launchpads because everything is on BNB, not on Ethereum, and it is way cheaper to actually go into those IDOs. And also, as you can see, you're gonna have a minimum allocation for $700, which is quite cheap when it comes to launchpads. So right now let's start raffle and pick one random winner from my latest giveaway on my channel. Boom, and the winner is Anton Boyko. Comment this awesome project, thank you, I hope I'm gonna win. You won, congratulations. Let me check if this account is actually subscribed to me. So yeah, this account is subscribed to me, so congratulations. DM me on Twitter, as I said, to claim your reward. And this is it for this video. There's gonna be more and more giveaways probably on this channel, so subscribe and see you in another one.